Okay. What is today's day?
The 25th of January.
Okay. Open is not the books. Writing. Today's day. Our lesson. Neurons. We will establish a relationship between nerve cells, structure and function of the nervous tissue and its structure components. What is it?
I think it's a neuron.
Please.
It is neuron.
Neuron types.
Well, I think it's sensual neuron or not.
Also, we have motor neurons.
I
Okay.
think there should neurons.
Okay. Next. How does your brain work?
The nervous system controls the functioning of the brain system in the body. The nervous system consists of the neuron and neuroglia. Neuron that receive and transmit the signal. Neuroglia is protective function.
Okay. Okay. Sit down, please.
I want to add one more idea.
Please.
Okay. There are two more types of the action. And first of all, it's a myelin action, which is surrounded by protein. It's there faster. And second of all, it's myelin action, and which is not surrounded by protein, and they much more slower than first one. And they transmit information from the action part of the neuron to the deep part of the neuron. And they connected. At the point where they connected, called the synapse. And information passes from the one neuron to the next neuron through the molecule in the neurometers, and action makes the neurometers to the send information through the cavities between neurons.
Okay. Please. Third group.
Depending on the function of neurons, we have three types. First is when our sensitive neurons send signals to our sensitive things like our skin, tongue, eyes, maybe also our tongue. And the second function is when our intermediate neurons send signals to our motor neurons. Third is when motor neurons sends our signals to our muscles.
Okay. It's okay. Good. Well done. Look at the picture. Repeat after me. Covered.
Covered.
Gap.
Gap.
Glial cells.
Glial cells.
Neuron.
Neuron.
Projections properly.
Projection properly.
To fall.
To fall.
To receive.
To receive.
To carry.
To carry.
To conduct.
To conduct.
To feed.
To feed.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
Covered in Kazakh. Translate. Жабылған. In Russian покрытый. Аралық промежуток глия жасушалары клетки глия, нейрон, өсінді пророст, немесе вырост, профилі дұрыс, десек правильно, кари, тасу, неси. Are you remember new terminology?
Yes.
Okay, writing and not to
It is the main genetic and metabolic center of
Dendrites have ligand-gated sodium ion channels that allow neurons to respond to chemicals released by other neurons
Please, second group.
Okay, we are ready. Okay, the first part. The nerve consists of the nerve cells, and they divide two types: the neuron and neurology. And the neuron divides three parts. The first part is dendrites, and dendrites have two types of the dendrites. First one is higher order. The second one is primary dendrites. The next one is action. The action is the main part of the neurons, and they consist of two types. First type is we have a protein sheet. The next one is without protein sheet. And one more interesting fact about that, the part we have a protein sheet is 1 micrometer, and the type without like a protein sheet is 1 millimeter. It's really interesting for me. And the next one is the cell body, and they have the cell body and ordinaries. And the neurology have two type of the function. First of all is a feeding, and the next one is a protection.
It's okay, brilliant.
Okay, the next one.
Please.
Yes.
Next. Muscles. Sky. Okay. Next.
The colbony content of them. The colbony of the neuron.
Okay. Next.
They are dendrites,
Dendrite.
cell body, axon.
Okay. Please. Added.
The nervous consists three parts, and they are dendrite, cell body, and axon.
And what?
The cell body in the center of the neuron.
Okay.
I want to add information about it. And from this part of our body, from eye and ear and muscles and skin, we obtain information from the environment, because in our the skin, over this part of the body has a sensory neurons.
Okay. Good.
Signals from sensory organs, eyes, ears, skin, conducts to the central nervous system.
Okay.
In the picture, we can see interneurons, efferent neurons, extension in skin, afferent neurons, affect muscle.
Next.
Motor neurons transmit signals from an intermediate neuron. The muscles are tense.
Muscles.
Motor neurons transmit nerve impulses from the central peripheral organs.
Okay. It's okay. Brilliant. Good job. Next. Group 1. Next. Activity. Determine which of the intermediate sensory sensitive neurons. Next exercise, activity, please. First group, read. Look at the picture.
Axons are divided, myelinated, non-myelinated, intermediated neurons.
True? Yes. And false? True. Yes. Next.
Some people see from far away, sensitive neurons.
True? Yes. Next.
Long outgrowths are the intermediate neurons.
True?
Yes.
Yes. Sit down, please. Next. Second group.
Yes, we are ready. You can start.
Adil, please. Read.
Spinal cord and brain, maybe it is interneuron. The brain transmits information to the muscles.
Quickly.
It is motor neuron. Consequences different places. Maybe sensory neuron.
True?
Yes.
Yes. Next. First group. Come in.
Long outgrowths are sensory neuron.
True?
Yes.
Next.
Sense, head, and the cold, sensitive neuron.
True?
Yes.
Next.
The signal transmits with the mixture of motor waves.
True?
Yes.
Yes. Check answer.
Everyone is correct.
Correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
Brilliant. Good job. Evolution, please.
This group 10 points because class is great.
Okay.
This group completed the task quickly and correctly, so I give them a good rating.
What did you know?
I learned about the function of neurons, like motor neuron, sensitive neuron, also executive neuron.
Okay. That please. First group. Please.
I know that this is two types of the action. First of all, is action with pertension, and then without pertension. I know that the cell body is the center of the neuron, as I guess it's the most important information there.
Okay. Please. Ayala.
I know about the neuron function and terminology.
Terminology. What was difficult?
Difficult in neural
Task. Okay. Today is good job. Neurons types, yeah, and the function and the receive function